Hello ladies and gentlemen. Welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Khalid Masood Kareem. In this quarterly video tutorial, I will share technical aspects and techniques of top volume leaders of the Karachi Stock Exchange. It is not a recommendation to buy or sell. The Karachi Stock Exchange 100 Index closed at 43,755 level on December 31, 2020. The closing is above the quarterly pivot level of 41,700 and also above the 6-quarter simple moving average. The quarterly resistance and support levels are at 53,124 and 38,858 respectively. Technically, it is trending above the range resistance zone and may test the lifetime high level. The Unity Foods closed at 32.06 level on December 31, 2020. The closing is above the quarterly pivot level of 23.73 and is also above the 6-quarter moving average. The quarterly resistance and support levels are at 45.90 and 24.31 respectively. Technically, it is forming a rounding bottom pattern, which requires a breakout above the resistance. The HASCOL closed at 14.69 level on December 31, 2020. The closing is below the quarterly pivot level of 16.73 and is also below the 6-quarter moving average. The quarterly resistance and support levels are at 24.15 and 13.10 respectively. Technically, it is contained within a small triangle, and is also showing an interesting shark pattern. The TRG closed at 91.41 level on December 31, 2020. The closing is above the quarterly pivot level of 69.20 and is also above the 6-quarter moving average with a wide margin. The quarterly resistance and support levels are at 116.03 and 71.79 respectively. Technically, it is showing 3 big white candles on the chart. Apparently, it appears in strong uptrend, but few trending indicators are pointing to the beginning of the resting phase. However, if it rises and stays above the last quarter's high, then the indicators will also get strengthened and we may not see any resting phase. Respect of the support zone is important for the bullish stance. The PRL closed at 23.79 level on December 31, 2020. The closing is above the quarterly pivot level of 20.51 level and is also above 6-period simple moving average. The quarterly resistance and support levels are at 33.95 and 18.14 respectively. The technical indicators are neutral. I have shown a hidden chart pattern, named as footprint. This pattern shows the hidden intention of the sponsor. Note the direction of the footprint chart pattern. The upper and lower boundaries of this footprint chart pattern are strong resistance and support zones. The PIBTL closed at 12.86 level on December 31, 2020. The closing is above the quarterly pivot level of 12.56 and is also above 6-period moving average. The quarterly resistance and support levels are at 18.69 and 11.35 respectively. Technically, it is trading with the resistance zone. Hope you have enjoyed this video. Like and subscribe to my YouTube channel.